This is a 1940 Buick Special steering wheel. As you see from the before pictures, it came in just looking a mess. The plastic, of course, was all cracked up after 60 plus years and pulverized, just falling apart, for lack of a better way of describing it. So we went in and rebuilt this entire steering wheel. We've resurfaced and refinished it there with that just high-end finish. So it actually looks better than it did off the factory line. So this looks so gorgeous. We also went in and polished up the chrome so that the spokes and the back hub now look back to new, and this is going to really set off this Buick Special. A lot of these old classic restoration jobs, you look at them at car shows, you look at them out at car drive-ins or wherever you go where you might see some of these old vehicles in museums, and a lot of them have cracked steering wheels. I always see that and it just breaks my heart because that's what we do, is we fix them. A lot of times we get steering wheels sent in here that have been attempted to be repaired by an individual or another company, and they just don't last. They end up cracking, and so send it in to Craft Customs. We have been doing this for 34 years now. We're one of the oldest companies in the United States doing it, and so we want to work for you. We want to make your interior of your vehicle look new, and that all starts with the steering wheel. So give us a call at Craft Customs, reach out to us at craftcustoms.com, and follow us on our channels.